Alright guys, how are you today? So in this video, I'm just going to be unboxing something that I have bought off eBay. Let's see what it is, shall we? Right now, take your guys' guess. What do you think it is? It is from eBay. So, 1 second. Take your comments before you watch the video. What do you think it is? Well, here it is. It is. Hold on. It's a pink Valentine heart. I have been looking for this one. It's a pink red heart Valentine Tweety. All I need now is the purple one, then I'll have them all. But yeah, look at this, guys. Valentine heart pink Tweety. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like for this Tweety bird. If you guys liked the video, give it a like. If you dislike, give it a dislike. If you really enjoyed, subscribe. Alright, see you guys next video. Peace.